At the Unpacked event on July 10th, Samsung will show off its newest folding smartphones at a press conference. From the first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in real life, it's pretty clear that Samsung is moving away from round designs and towards more square ones. It's already been seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 series, and it looks like it will also be seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Ice Universe shared a detailed picture on X that shows the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6 next to each other. There are a lot of changes to see. The body has been remade to look more like the S24 Ultra, and the hinge has been shrunk inside a lot, which looks more interesting. Thanks to the better design, I hardly notice the hinge anymore. The rim is also a bit smaller than on last year's Z Fold 5, but it's still easy to see. To give you a better idea, someone on Reddit also shared real-life dummy unit pictures of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. When folded, it looks a lot like the S24 Ultra. Smart PRI and Leaks work together to share this image. The render clearly indicates a completely flat display on each side, which matches the look of the newly released Galaxy S24 series. This foldable smartphone also seems to have the slimmest hinge on the market. When you put this device next to the Z Fold 5, the outside screen seems to be going bigger, making it a great device for use even when it's folded. Despite all of these great updates, there is a new leak that points to a poor update for Samsung's most expensive flagship phone. According to a new FCC approval, the upcoming Z Fold 6 won't be supporting the newest Wi-Fi 7. Instead, it will likely stick with the older Wi-Fi 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is likely to have the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset made just for the Galaxy line. The S24 Ultra has a similar chipset and still supports Wi-Fi 7. At this point, we think the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will cost the same $1,799 as its predecessor. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is sure to be a phone to watch out for because it has so many big improvements over last year's model. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.